In this video, I've coded a trading bot that aligns with a strategy that I've developed on the pocket option platform involving fractal chaos bands and the 20 period simple moving average. Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back again with a new trading video. So today, I've been working on a trading bot here, which you see here to the left, 60 seconds multi-asset trading engine. And I've designed the trading bot to trade 60-second binary options. So if you look at the trading bot here, I have a drop down menu. I'm not sure if you're seeing the drop down menu. The screen recorder here may not be recording the drop down, but in the drop down menu, I have various assets, including crypto, indices, and major Forex currency pairs, in addition to stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Intel, and so forth. All right. I went ahead and changed the asset to Bitcoin because the other currency pair, the Japanese yen currency pair, there's not much trading happening, being that it's the Asian session. Whereas Bitcoin trades 24 hours, 7 days a week. Right now, it's loading the price feed. It takes 25 minutes for the price feed to load for Bitcoin. So right after the price feeds, I'll be looking for a signal. So I'm going to pause the video and wait till I get a signal, a buy or sell signal for Bitcoin. Okay, so as you see here, I just got a sell alert on Bitcoin. So I went ahead and took a 60-second sell trade. Bitcoin's been going down lately, par for the course. So this is what the alert looks like. It's a sound alert, so I don't have to sit there and uh, watch the chart. I can just listen for the sound. So let's monitor this trade. As soon as the alert came on, I took the trade. Okay, so we won that trade. Um, Trade alert actually helped us detect the signal here. So I'm going to pause the video and see if we can get one more trade out of this bot. In case you didn't see it, if in case the screen recorder didn't record the pop-up alert, there goes the alert right here, the yellow band there. So as soon as the alert, you get a display alert and a pop-up alert. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and see if we can get another Bitcoin alert. Okay, so I just received another trade alert, a sell alert here on Bitcoin. So I went ahead and took the trade. So fractal chaos bands, candle breaks under the fractal chaos band line here, suggesting a bearish breakout to the downside. So let's monitor this trade. I don't know if you see the pop-up here. If the screen recorder shows the pop-up, it's also an alert, a sound alert. But here's the alert right here on the screen here. Trade signal detected short at 10:32 p.m. Okay, so we won that trade. It was pretty close, but caught the entry at the right time. So I'm going to pause the video and wait for the next Bitcoin trade alert. Okay, so I just received another sell alert here on Bitcoin, and I went ahead and took a sell trade here. Actually, I think I took a couple of sell trades here. Here's the alert here, the pop-up alert. I'm not sure if you see it on the screen recorder here, but here is the signal here on the chart here. Trade signal alert short at 10:47 p.m. So let's monitor this trade. We see here the red candle here close below the lower boundary of the fractal chaos band line here. So let's monitor this trade, 60-second trade. And it appears to be breaking downward here. Okay, great. So we won. I took two trades, so we won that trade. All right, so the signal alerts are working pretty well. Let me pause the video and look for one last alert. Okay, so I just received another sell alert on Bitcoin, so I went ahead and took the trade based off the alert from the bot here. I don't know if you see the pop-up alert. There's also a sound alert that I've programmed into the bot, but also there's a signal here, yellow. It says trade signal detected short at 11:03 p.m. So as you see here, this red candle closes below the fractal chaos band line, suggesting a bearish breakout to the downside. This is how I programmed the bot. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, awesome. So the bot performed pretty good. So if you're interested in getting this bot, I ask that you open an account with the link that I've provided in the channel comments or in the channel bio of my YouTube channel here. Um, it does have the drawdown menu. I don't, let me stop the bot here, but for some reason the screen recorder is not recording the drawdown menu. So I have various assets besides Bitcoin available to trade. Indices, I have the US 100, the S&P 500, Swiss market index, in addition to all the major forex currency pairs. And I also have stock pairs. This bot works on 60 seconds, 60-second trades, fast trades. I like to get in and out of my trades. Also, I just wanted to make note that I was only risking about 2% of my capital uh, as part of good money management. You don't want to risk high percentages of your capital because that can lead to huge losses. The idea is that you get consistent wins, more wins than losses, thereby growing your account. This bot is not designed to replace your regular technical analysis on the chart. So this is why I also show you the analysis on the chart here in the fractal chaos bands. Use this as a trade assistant. Okay, like I mentioned, if you're interested in getting this bot, uh, I ask that you open an account on the Pocket Option platform using my link. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Gus Schmidt.